Bueno, estamos en el evento de Veeam. La gente de Veeam nos invitó a almorzar hoy a compartir un montón de información interesante sobre sus lineamientos, sobre sus anuncios, y tenemos la oportunidad de hablar con Daniel Frint, que es el Senior VP de Marketing y Ventas Worldwide. Y I wrote down some interesting things that you share with us today, and the most important message is that today all it's about data. And which are the enemies of the delivery 24/7, 365 availability?
So it is so actually the key point, yes, is the data. And because of everybody going internet, because of the Internet of Things, because of the growth of data everywhere, that means that there is an exponential growth. And what Veeam is doing is trying to get this data always available for the customers, for the users, for the companies, 24 hours per day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. So this is our core element. We call that availability, is to get the data and the applications and the internet always available for the users. This is the key element. Because we are in a way, we are in a world of communication. We are in a world of internet. We are a world where everybody's sharing everything. But that means it is a lot of applications behind the data, and we need that be up and running.
And as everyone is sharing everything, there's another important thing that you share with us about the cloud agnostic, that you are very open or try to be open with a lot of platforms for the enterprise solutions.
Exactly. So again, here is what we want to do is to let the enterprises decide how they want to manage the data, where they want the data to be, on in what cloud, on what platform, in what infrastructure. It's a private cloud, a public cloud, a hybrid cloud, a managed cloud, whatever the name. What we want is to be agnostic. So that means that they can decide on the strategies and the policies they want to put in place for the data.
Okay.
So this is again to give them the hands and not worry about does it work, that doesn't it work, but at least to decide what they want to do with their data. It is their data, they own the data. We are just here to help them and to support them in managing this data.
And the partners are the important actors in this movie. What can you tell us about the relationship between Veeam and their partners?
So we have, so this is the key thing. So we first of all, the key element is we are 100% partner. So that means we always go to the end customers through the partners, systematically. And then there are different types of partners. So you have the cloud partners. So they are the ones that are using our technology so that they can provide this availability service to their customers as a cloud service. But we also have the reselling partners, the partners reselling our technology directly to the end customers, to their customers. If the customers decide that they prefer to have their technology at home, on premise, and run it by themselves. So they have, again, the customers, then through our different types of partners, they have a choice to decide, do I want my data to be at home? Do I want part of my data to be at the cloud? And for that, they have different types of partners they can use. But everything is going through the partners.
And in Latin America, you have a very short story because you begin your business here in 2011.
Correct.
So, and now you have more than 50 people working, and a very strong focus on inside sales work.
So the answer is yes. Now, because again, when you want to get into a market, you need to invest. Whatever you want to do, you need to do it correctly. So the idea is to move quickly in LATAM. This is why we are 57, almost 60 people already, and we've got different types of people. So because the way you address the small customers is different from the way you go to the end customers, to the large ones. The types of partners to do that is different. So this is why I always say, to be successful in business, in our type of business, going through the partners, you need 4 things. What I call my 4 pillars. Salespeople that go to customers, inside sales on the telephone, channel people taking care of the partners, and very good marketing.
Okay.
So we need the press.
Very complete. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.